Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint on deforestation. So first of all, you have to go to insert and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Change its color to white and remove its outline. Now insert a rhombus into the slide and you have to adjust its size accordingly. And now what you have to do is insert the picture in it. Now insert a triangle and rotate it vertically and increase its size, change its color to green. And what you have to do is you have to copy it and then you have to paste it. First send it towards the back, now copy it and paste it and rotate the second triangle. Now move it towards the picture. That's it. Now add a text box, write the text in it. Increase its size, change its color to black, and add another text box and enter your text in this text box. Increase the text size and enter the bullet points into the text. Select the text and change its color to light green. Now add the animations as I have done. Now let's move towards the second slide. So what you have to do is that you have to insert a text box and write your text in it. So I have added the text, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert around a triangle and I'm gonna decrease its size and I'm gonna paste it and rotate it and place both of them like this. Now it's time to change their colors. That's it. Now select both of them and merge them. And that's the final result. Now what you have to do is that you have to decrease its size, paste it and rotate it and change the colors of these shapes. Now the next step is that you have to paste these shapes and move them on the bottom of the slide, and then add our rectangle and change its color and remove its outline. Give it a preset and decrease the size of the shape. Paste it into the entire slide's bottom. So I have pasted them, and now what you have to do is insert a rounded cornered rectangle, and you have to decrease its radius and right click on it, go to shape format and picture texture fill, and insert, and you have to insert your image. So I'm gonna insert another image that fits the slide. So this is the image. I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna increase the second uh, forward rectangle size, and then I'm gonna send it towards the back of the first rectangle. Now you have to give the animations to the shapes and pictures. So now let's move towards the third slide. Enter rectangle, and you have to change its color and remove its outline. Now what you have to do next is that you have to add a text box. Insert a text box and enter your text in it, increase its size and change its font and change its color, and that's all you have to do. Now insert another rounded cornered rectangle below the first one and increase its radius and change its color. Insert a circle and adjust it into the rectangle. Change its color to white, remove its outline, and next you have to adjust it so that it doesn't show any of the corners of the rounded triangle. Next, you have to insert another circle into the first circle. The next circle has to be a smaller one. You have to change the colors and add the text. Increase your text size. You can change the font and color of the text if you want. Next, you have to insert a circle, change its color to green, remove its outline, and give it some effects and the gradient. As you can see, I have given it a gradient color. You can see from the video and add the following settings to give that gradient. Insert the text onto that bigger circle and select it, increase its size, and adjust it. Be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video. Also share this video with your friends and family to promote my channel, and I will be really grateful to you if you promote my channel. So what we have to do next is that we have to select this shape, and we're gonna paste it about 3 more times, and that's it. There you go. I have pasted the shapes and I have given the animation. You can give animations regarding your choice. I have made another template and I'm gonna add some animation in it as well. And there is another simple template that you can easily make. And the hard step comes to the animation, when you have to give the animation. So I'm gonna give animation and show you how to give it. Next, you have to open a new slide, enter your text, and insert your image. Now insert a rectangle and add the text in it. Change the size of the text and the color of the rounded rectangle and give it a preset. Give it some animations. You can see from the video what animations I'm giving. So this is the final result of the video. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the latest update from my YouTube channel, and also subscribe my channel and click on bell icon.